you are going to love the 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: carpeted floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
At the Matthews Hot Corner on the corner of the Vestal Pkwy and Sycamore, we've got over 500 pre-owned vehicles available, including 75 factory-certified Nissans with a great warranty, free maintenance, Carfax, and more, featuring a special low APR financing rate or extra rebates to well-qualified buyers. Learn more at the Hot Corner near the Town Square Mall.